I am परेशानी नहीं परेशान है तो video is this video I will teach you out what is inside this laptop. Since this is an old laptop which is HP laptop, it is a HP unknown model laptop model. I cannot right now find it. Later I put in the laptop model in the video. This is a laptop which is quite old, and there is quite a problem like the hard disk or hard disk is also faulty, battery is also faulty, screen is also faulty, or CD-ROM is also faulty. This is an HP laptop. I already removed the battery for other experimenting purpose. Since we need lithium battery cells in some project, I remove all the batteries inside first. Now it's time to tear down. So this is a old laptop. First of all, I open all these tools for time saving. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 screws are open, and one screw is snap off. So all the screws are open. 4 bottom are removed. One is snap off. Since this is an old laptop, it will damage laptop. It cannot repair or even sell. So I think why not open and see what is inside this laptop. Focus clearly. Focus on the video. What do we need? A screwdriver to remove the lid. Carefully snap off. There's a lot here. Without breaking anything. So there is a lid is removed. Here we got a Wi-Fi adapter here, Wi-Fi Bluetooth adapter. Underneath here is a RAM, which is right now what RAM is Bluetooth is in the Bluetooth is quite old, and there's a lid which remove. And after we find hard disk, the faulty hard disk. Let me remove this hard disk out. By hard disk out carefully. This time, this is a whole laptop laying around for quite a bit of time. So I think why not try to tear down? Why not tear down to see how it's what and what components are used. Estamos carefully unclip the hard disk, and the access connector. There's no more screws underneath here. There is what now we also remove some other screws in our camera thing. There are quite of screws. There is a 4 screw There is three more screws which I had already also removed. There is three screws, we removed it, and there is a CR30 cell, which is a cell which maintains the battery. This is a battery cell battery. It is chargeable. It will maintain the overall clock signal or clock timing of this timing of this laptop. Since you may know laptop timing is in black, you can change the timing, and after restarting your laptop, your timing will be though battery reset. The cell is or this battery is fault. You can change this battery to maintain your time, PC running time. Now those are front of it. Open this on top. Firstly, this is the keyboard and this is the mouse. We carefully remove the keyboard first in order to access some other screws. Or you will not here. Put this on the air top. Let's try here. There's a 4 lots. So there's 12 slots, and I accidentally snap one of the switch, both buttons. Since this is the whole laptop, so not a big problem. Lots on top and 2 from side and 4 from 5 and 2 from side. And once we flip this keyboard come off, and there is FF cable which doesn't here in FSC. If we remove, we simply unlock this lid, it's come out, and there is 1, 2, 3, 3 FSC, one more, which is next from other. This is a T-pad one. You also remove these in order to really separate out these connections, and after the top piece is remove out. These cables are very sensitive cable. We take to extra precaution while removing these cables. One is a power button cable. There is power cable. Now these cables too much, since this is a FX cable, flat flexible cable, and one is there which is maybe display. This is which is for display. Carefully. Maybe we do not need to remove this since this is our bottom side. Carefully unlock the cover without breaking any. First there's a tape, we remove tape since these tape, this small button is already button. So this tape can hold the button for use this. Right now we are tear down this laptop. So we can remove the tape in order to remove or remove the internal. Now we can see There's a three more screws which I already opened also. By removing all this, there's three screws where we remove it, all these screws, and I try too much work in order to open. So I took one day to try to open it in off camera. Since these screws are two on top also, in the both side and three bottom in the other side. Total 5 screws are hidden there, which is not fitting in my screwdriver, but I will open with non type of screwdriver. And once we open it, top lid is turned out. Here is a touchpad or touch where we touch it, and there is nothing anything. And this is a power button, and this is a power button cable, and this is a touch band cable is here. And after there is a CD-ROM which you will slip in. I think there are no screw. Once to I will open it and then we continue opening the laptop. What's possible? So now we open this screw. Now we open the screw and now we slit out the CD-ROM. Since the CD-ROM is holding by a screwdriver connector here, now we put the CD-ROM out by pushing it. I not force too much this part, since the part is also movable. It can move out if I put force over here. It's come like this way and slit out. This CD-ROM is a sports SATA. Same SATA, just like a system SATA or desktop SATA. And there's a main motherboard. There is an card for SD card. There's two SD card, one slot, one microphone, one sound, two USBs, internet plus PC. Slots are located in here. There's a separate board which can hold the two external USB slots, and there's a power cable or power connector. And in we go to a screen. Before the screen, this wire is a wire which we connected here over here. There is connector, SATA connector, and goes to a motherboard. And these are two speaker panels. Let me move the speaker panel. There are two bars, sound bar. One is there. Switch back and lift one, this one is there. This one is maybe double-sided tape it, and there is connector from audio speakers. This one is sticky with double tape. Flathead screwdriver. Both are sticking with double-sided tape. One is there and one is here. This is all hollow. There is no. This is a plastic base. There is no board. There is some chip. One is there and one is there and one is there and one is there and twice there, which we can there we need a data sheet. Later we see a data sheet and then continue the process. There I don't know which one is which right now. Later we see the number and find data sheet if possible. We then find a data sheet, or if I can't find the data sheet, then never explain or cannot You find the data sheet, then we explain it. What the IC is, what it is. Also, few ICs there. This IC in my desk is EPROM, but inform after see the data sheet. Now see the display, and then see the what is that display. No screws, the slot, and display is also made of glass. So carefully do to open the frame, also known as a bezel. This is known as a bezel. If it breaks, then it will not switch back. Open. Open it, or normal screwdriver. It's not a good idea to open these type of displays or any LED meter, which is very sensitive. LVDS connector, which is a display connector. This wire is LVDS wire, LVDS wire, which is a connector over here. Now opening. Now open the bezel by putting a flathead screwdriver and carefully snap. We already snapped the video. Now we need to more flathead screwdriver. Open a little bit bottom area. Same time we holding a panel since while opening this thing, there's two more screws in the top corner in the display, which is I show here underneath this. There one screw and here one screw. We also open these two screws. That time, in order to save time, since we open pause, stop, I not need too much pauses, so we can see what screws we often need to open. Under the video, I first open all the screws in first shot, since we can not make any effort afterwards in the video while pausing and unpausing there is not coming out. Maybe we can break it if we try to. So we decided to pull out the panel. Since there is no panel, since there is only panel, the back side, there's no anything in the back. There's a camera. We can easily see the camera is there, which is this cable. Now we can open this first to the fire, firstly part 4 fire, and now we try to lift this off this string carefully. We need to lift this string. There's a LVDS cable connector. First we remove this connector. Now we remove the string and there is a wire. This is the LVDS main connector, which we remove the plug, and there is one more wire, single wire which goes to the string to the downside of the motherboard. So we need to also lift the motherboard. That time, first we remove the speaker bar. Look at that. Add screwdriver. And we also lift the motherboard at the same time by holding the tolerance system. I think there is one screw here